Now we need to print a part. First, insert the USB drive. Then find our part. Select the part and its support. We need to copy its body and support files to the computer. Copy to the D drive of the computer. Then we open our printing software. We select the first option to import the model. Find the file we just copied in the D drive. Select its body file and support file. Click Open. This is our printing model. We move it to the appropriate position. Then click Start Printing. Now, it often rises, and then its screen moves to the starting position for printing. It will start printing. The yellow plate has now lowered below the page, and it is to facilitate the scraper's movement later. The scraper will remove the bubbles on the surface. Now the scraper has started moving, and it will clear the bubbles from the surface. We can see that after the scraper moves once, some of the bubbles on top have been cleared, and the scraper will move a second time. Now the scraper has returned to 0, and it will move to the starting position for printing. The wingman will move up and down, and then the laser will perform the scanning. Then, this is our printing process.